or welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I'm always trying to mix it up, have a little bit of something for everyone. I share a lot of non degree, entry level type jobs, customer service jobs, things like that are easier to get. But every now and again, I like to include some bigger companies. These are not hard jobs either. We have the YMCA hiring like administrative type jobs. We have Crate and Barrel hiring, I think, for tech support. Amazon is hiring, I think, for their marketing team. We also have Target hiring. So hopefully I have a little bit of something for everyone. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. If you're someone who likes administrative work, specifically in like HR, human resources, the YMCA is hiring. The YMCA probably needs no introduction. They have a 23,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for administrative support for their HR operations for their national office or national division. This is remote, and it does say anywhere in the United States, so no state restrictions. Now, over here on the side, it does say pay is anywhere from $21 an hour up to $25 an hour. And their job description really kind of starts a little bit backwards with what they're looking for in you. But if you go all the way down to the bottom, the essential functions is that you're really going to provide administrative and operational support to the human resources team. This means you're going to assist with the leave of absence management of like FMLA, ADA, other different leave forms, making sure that the forms are on file, forms are completed, they're in compliance with like federal laws, guidelines, specifically that FMLA, making sure that all compliance laws are being followed, and you're helping employees with their benefits. So people who work for the YMCA, you're helping them navigate their health insurance, their retirement benefits, wellness benefits, maintaining all of the employee accurate records into the human resources system, just coordinating that documentation and communication to support all of the different work environments. Now, they do require at least an associate's degree, but it does say they'll take equivalent experience over that. You have to have at least 1 year of experience in some kind of HR operations. They want somebody who's familiar with benefits, specifically who's familiar with different laws like FMLA laws, strong attention to detail, and somebody who has a collaborative spirit. You like helping other people. If you have some tech skills, you're more of a technical person. Crate and Barrel is hiring. Now, they are like a retail type store. They have 2,500 reviews, an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a service desk technician, again, remote for the United States. But they're really looking for somebody to provide that multi-tiered support through all of their different channels, including phone, email, and their self-service, like service desk. So you're really providing support for technology incidences and work orders. So in order to run a retail store, they've got to have cash registers, computers, time clocks for the employees, all of this computer equipment and all of the different things, including like, they probably have warehouses where they have stuff running too. So all of that needs to stay up and running. So you're just there to open and close incident tickets and work orders, tracking them through the online tool that they use or the platform that they use, which is Jira. You're kind of updating the incidences, work orders, making sure to follow up by a level 2 or 3 support that actually happens. So you're creating, editing, and submitting knowledge-based documentation content, keeping that all up to date, just making sure as far as tech support that you help wherever you can. Now, they're looking for somebody who either has some kind of like IT type technical degree or an equivalent background. So if you worked tech support before, they need at least 1 year of experience working in some kind of technical support environment. You've got to have knowledge of like networking, system administration. Other than that, be able to be a multitasker, good people skills, and they are looking for somebody who can kind of be a little flexible and work different shifts. Now, pay is anywhere from $23 an hour up to $28 an hour. So this Kahlua wireless magnetic charging bank is absolutely perfect for anybody that's on the go, traveling around, and you're not sitting at a place where you can plug your phone in and recharge it. And I'm doing a lot of traveling this summer, so I want to thank the company for sending this to me to check out for you. It is small, it fits in the palm of my hand, and you can kind of see how thin it is. The thinness of it is compared to the thinness of a little passport booklet. Now, this is the easiest charging bank I think I've ever used in my life. If you have a MagSafe phone, like a magnetized phone, or even a MagSafe phone case, you just magnetize it on to the back. It sticks right on there, and you can see it just automatically starts charging. So it is completely just thin, stuck to the back of your phone. Now, the magnet does hold pretty heavy. And I did confirm, if you have like a cheaper case and you have like a magnet ring on your phone case, it will connect to that and charge through your phone case as well. So as long as your phone case is MagSafe. Now, this is great for all kinds of travel because it is thin enough. You can just put it on your phone and then slip it in like a pocket of a carry-on in an airport or things like that. You can even slip it in your back pocket of your jeans or pants. And of course, your phone will be charging while you're walking through the airport. I've seen people in the airport recently fighting over the charging stations. You don't have to worry about that. You can just slap on your charger and go about your business. You can charge it on the plane. Or if you're somebody who has children and you sit out at ball games all day long taking pictures, taking videos, and you run your phone battery dead, you can just have this handy to just slap on the back of your phone and completely charge it. So great for on the go. I highly recommend. Now, this next one really needs no introduction. We have Target hiring the big retail store. They have 94,000 reviews from past and current employees. That is a heck of a lot of reviews. They do have an employee satisfaction rating at 3.4 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a round out account manager specifically for their electronics department. This is remote work eligible, it says. And the pay for this one is anywhere from $71,000 a year up to $128,000 a year. But they're really looking for somebody to help work to develop a integrated marketing approach, specifically working with digital channels of platforms for their Roundel clients. So you're really going to be client centric that maintains high productivity and maintains those professional relationships with those different clients that Target works with. So basically, you're going to be that key contact person that the client contacts for their annual planning and program level strategies, delivering high integrated media plans for their top accounts. So you're really inputting the client marketing campaign proposals, including building audience strategies for that client, media mix allocation. So how are you going to mix up media, right? Is it all going to be like short video, like TikTok and stuff? Is it going to be longer form ads and videos like on YouTube and stuff? Are you going to run traditional like commercials or things? Are you going to include it in a catalog? Like all of those media things that go out for marketing, you are just the creative media strategist behind all of this for the clients that you are assigned. So you're going to have to attend client meetings, give presentations, recommendations, and stay up to date on industry trends, both in retail and digital advertising landscapes. Now, this one is a higher level position and is going to require a bachelor degree. It doesn't say that that degree needs to be in any specific field, but you do have to have at least 3 years of experience in either digital media, marketing, or something along those lines. You've got to have hands-on experience kind of with media planning system, working with media tools like Operative One, DCM, or like a similar ad serving platform. So this has to do with all of marketing and ads. So you have to have a great attention to detail and great time management skills. If you have project management skills and you don't mind a little bit of travel, it says it's about 20% of the job might include some travel to some on-site events. Amazon is hiring. Amazon, again, needs no introduction. 235,000 reviews from past and current employees. An overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They're looking for an event technology manager specifically for their Amazon seller events that they have. Now, over here on the side, it does says it's virtual remote work from home for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for the project management of their internal event technology projects, overseeing all of the stakeholders, building seamless experiences. So you're really building work back timelines across different event work streams, identifying any dependencies, discrepancies, defining those key milestones. And of course, you're partnering with their technology vendors and event managers to build an internal event management plan. Of course, you're kind of trying to foresee the future a little bit, anticipating any roadblocks so that y'all can actively work to avoid them. You're responsible for reporting out on metrics related to the technology and event attendance. Now, this requires a lot of tech experience. You've got to have 3 years of like product management experience and know how to use Microsoft Excel very well, including pivot tables and VLOOKUPs at an advanced level, kind of work with databases, SQL. Now, I personally work with Excel at work, and those VLOOKUPs just get me every time. I'm always Googling. I don't think that I'm ever going to master that. So, if you've got Excel down pat, kudos to you. You do have to have experience kind of working with data, working with metrics. They want somebody who has functional experience working at event technology platforms, working with different platform tools. Good news is, though, no college degree is needed and they pay fairly well. Base pay is anywhere from $66,800 a year up to $142,800 a year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.